It's the quiet happiness of being in the presence of beauty, when time slows down and all you want to do is simply feel the moment. We continue exploring hotels in Las Vegas, and a pleasure is very deep. What we experience, something truly beautiful, not just to the eye, but to the soul. We invite you to walk with us and enjoy. Wynn Las Vegas is one of the most luxurious and visually stunning resorts on Las Vegas Strip, opened in 2005 and designed by casino visionary Steve Wynn. It represents elegance, modern design. It's a perfect blend of energy and calm. Beautifully landscaped gardens and atriums filled with fresh flowers and whimsical creations, from giant carousel displays to floral hot air balloons. When you rise above the ordinary, your soul is drawn to beautiful places where wonder lives and the heart feels free. On the second floor, my son was exploring exotic cars. It's a showroom that features stunning McLarens to admire. He stopped to observe spot models like McLaren P1, Speedtail, Bugatti Chiron, and I was thinking that time where to have lunch, because Wynn Hotel is a very popular place for its seafood buffet, which has premium seafood selections: chilled crab legs, shrimp cocktail, oysters, lobster, crabs, clams, mussels, seafood paella. Oh my God, I am closing my eyes and feeling overwhelming burst of joy and satisfaction with every bite. We didn't have a chance to enjoy this time, but we will come back to Las Vegas soon. When you transform your life, you want everything to be beautiful. You gradually give up unhealthy foods, remove shallow people, eliminate the hustle and bustle, and want to surround yourself with beauty in all aspects of your life, including enjoying exquisite food in a beautiful place with someone you love being around. Las Vegas also famous for its incredible shows, and the Wynn Hotel hosts Awakening, which tells us a fantasy tale of love, magic, and light overcoming darkness. The story follows a heroine on an epic journey through mystical worlds where heroism, friendship, and inner strength guide the way. This show is on my bucket list this year.
Оно на сегодняшний день самое дорогое, там под 150 миллионов постановки.
Another hotel that we are visiting is the Venetian Hotel. I think it's my favorite one. The interior of the Venetian, it's like stepping into a romantic art-filled slice of 16th century Venice. The lobby features intricate floor designs crafted from hand-laid Italian marble, bordered by majestic 25-foot Botticine marble columns inspired by Venice's Santa Monica del Rosario. In the middle of the lobby, there is a water feature supported by mermaid figures and bathe and golden light. And fascinating, hand-painted ceilings replicate masterpieces like those in the Sistine Chapel, frescoes lining the ground, colonnade, and lobby halls. I walked where marble met the sky, where whispered winds of ages sigh, each stone, each curve, each painted dome, a mirror calling, find your home, the beauty wrapped around my skin, a world without, a change within. In every bloom, in every breeze, this all awakens, finds its keys. Venetian light on reaping seas, Florence art, Rome's memories. They shape the heart, they guide the hand, they help the spirit understand. For beauty's not just what we see, it steers the tides of who will be. And through this place, through every part, I build new wonders in my heart. Walking through the hotel and being amazed by the ceiling. The ceiling of the Venetian is a masterpiece in itself, designed to transport us into the heart of Renaissance Italy. Above you stretches a sky of hand-painted frescoes inspired by the grand works of Venetian masters, rich with gold essence and framed by ornate moldings. The scenes depict mythological figures, cherubs, and symbolic triumphs, much like the ceilings of Venice's grand cathedrals and palaces. In the Grand Canal shops, the ceiling is an endless blue, softly lit to mimic daylight. Painted clouds drift lazily overhead, creating the magic of the Italian afternoon, no matter what hour it's in Las Vegas. During the day, hidden lighting replicates natural sunlight, casting a warm glow that enhances the colors and textures of the shops, walkways, and ornate bridges below. At night, the lighting gently dims to simulate twilight, extending the romantic, dreamlike atmosphere well into the evening. Beneath this sky, the bustling canals flow, carrying gondolas with serenading gondoliers, as the gentle sounds of flowing water mingle with soft Italian melodies drifting through the air. The gentle sway of the gondola creates a memory that lingers long after the ride ends. Each ride lasts about 15 minutes. Gondoliers often sing arias of classic Italian ballads, adding a layer of emotion to the journey. This experience sure reminds the actual Venice experience in Italy. I have traveled to Italy many years ago, but I haven't tried a gondola ride, neither in real Venice nor here in Las Vegas. But I would love to do that, because the emotions I'm having each and every day, the beauty, the inspiration go along with everything that surrounds me, and my desire to experience it and let my son to experience that as well. You must live in the present, launch yourself on every wave, find your eternity in each moment. Fools stand on their island of opportunities and look toward another land. There is no other land, there is no other life but this. Remember this.